Pulina Exclusive Interiors is an interior design company born 10 years ago after my experience in the yacht sector. The company is founded for develop international projects across everywhere because we don't have limit. Our approach is to work with chameleonic style DNA. That means that we try to follow our clients and the needs of our clients in every kind of sector where we're talking about interiors. The company has headquarters located in Pisa, where we have the famous Leaning Tower, a main area where we develop our concept design and we managing all the main activities for our clients.